Hi guys, this video is must for all guys who want to learn street fight and self defense. So don't skip this video, watch the full video and learn all the steps, then apply with your friend with safe environment and tell us in comment box it is apply or not. So let's start the technique. If someone grab you from the behind like this way and lift you up, then here you will use your mind. Step number 1, when he lift you up, keep your leg in this position as you can see in the video. So now here his balance is going to be out when he lift you up. You can see, yeah, like this he can't lift you up because his leg in cross position. Now firstly you will bring out your leg from his knee and keep your leg under his knee and throw him back like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the side angle. Yeah, right. Step 1, step 2, leg back. Step 3, when it's balance out, keep your leg under his legs like this. Yes, now push it. Now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works or not. Yes. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.